Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the loose thread or tail on the rice bag seam and exposing it so you can work. Use bright light and steady the bag on a table. You want minimal movement. Once done, clip the bag corner or weigh it down to stop rice spilling while you work. Use tweezers to lift a short length of thread and a small pair of scissors or a seam ripper to prepare for a controlled cut. This prevents enlarging the hole. You now remove the thread methodically, tracing its path so you pull toward the seam root rather than away. That way the weave stays intact. If the thread is woven through multiple loops, snip short segments every 3 to 5 millimeters and extract them gently rather than yanking a long length. Once the visible thread is gone, make sure to secure any loose ends with a tiny knot or a dab of fabric glue so the seam does not unravel further. Let glue dry before proceeding. You finish by inspecting the seam closely and reinforcing it as needed. A few running stitches with matching thread will restore strength quickly, and fabric tape inside works for fast fixes. For larger holes, patch the interior with similar weight cloth and stitch or adhesive it securely so the bag holds rice without leakage. If you notice any spill, transfer rice into a clean container, then recheck the repair. If the seam still fails, redo the reinforcement or
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.